Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great by God's grace, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rasmi Rajput. As you know, my name is Rasmi Rajput. Friends, in today's video, I will tell you why should we learn English, how English can change our life. Friends, you know very well, nowadays this language playing very big role in our life everywhere. Doesn't matter you are living village, you live in city, everywhere using English. Friends, if you purchase any packet product, there are only write in English. Every packet product, anything, wrapper, every wrapper written in English. So friends, this language very playing very big role in our life. Friends, in today's world, English is not just a language, it is a need, it is a key to opportunity. So friends, let's start. Why should we learn English? What is the importance of English? Friends, it helps us in many areas of life, like study, travel, business, communicate with each other. So friends, let's understand how English can change our life. So friends, first of all, English is a global language. Learning English is English is wild word spoken. English is widely spoken language in the world. So friends, it is second language and difficult language. More than 50 countries use this language. So friends, if you know English, knowing English allows whether you are study, travel and work abroad. So friends, if you know English, you can understand, you can read everything very easily. So friends, second one is the if you want to get job opportunity. Friends, you know very well, nowadays every company prepare employee who know speak and write English very well, because he write emails, they are meeting, attend meeting and presentations. So they it help us in many areas, it help us in our life. So friends, if you want to get good job opportunity, first of all you need to learn this language. Without learning English, we can't get job opportunity very good way, very good job. Doesn't matter you are you want to get job government sector, you want to get job private sector, everywhere using this language. So friends, learning English must need. So second one is the education. This language playing very big role in our education. Friends, if you want to get good education, if you want to get abroad education, from abroad education, so first of all you need English, because you know very well, nowadays every school, every college teach in English, all the books written in English. If you know English, you can understand, read, watch and everything all over the world. So friends, first of all you need, and you very important to learn this language. Friends, if you know English, you know very well, nowadays every computer language, mobile language written in English. So friends, if you know English, you can read, you can study coding, you can learn coding, digital marketing and cooking, everything, whatever you want you can achieve. So friends, second one is the online. Friends, nowadays more than 50% content available online, like YouTube, online classes, online platform, applications. If you want to learn English, you can learn very easily. Friends, support that you have 4 friends, but they are different area, like one of the Assam, one of the South Indian, one of the like Punjab. Second one of the Bangladesh. Sorry. So how can you communicate with each other without knowing English? Because you know very well, Hindi language Hindi language very difficult for South Indian. They don't know how to speak Hindi, how to understand Hindi. Hindi language difficult better than English. English is very easy, better than Hindi. So friends, if you know English, you can understand everything very easily. You can talking each other very easily. Friends, if I talk about travel, if you want to go abroad, if you want to go in my India everywhere, you know very well, India also every people using different types language. So we don't understand every language. We understand only our mother tongue. We can understand only our mother tongue. We can't understand other mother tongue. Suppose that okay, whether you know another any language, but you don't know every language. But English is global language. English it's help in everywhere. If you know English, you can understand everything very easily. So friends, if you want to travel like restaurant, hotel, airport, railway station, you know very well, friends. Nowadays, launch on airport, railway platform, everywhere announce in English. Which train, where are you going? Which train, which flight, where are you going? So friends, if you know English, you can understand very easily. Oh, this is not my train. This is not my flight. So friends, traveling this language very it help us very it help us in traveling everywhere. If you want to any restaurant, how can you survive anything? If you know English, you can survive anything. You can speak English very easily. Friends, nowadays this language very important. It is nowadays it is a not language. It is a need to key opportunity, friends. So I think this language learn everyone. This language should learn everyone. Whether you are from village, you are from you live in village, you live in local area, you live in city, no problem. You can learn English very easily nowadays. So friends, if I talk about business, if you want to improve your business without English, how can I improve your business? Tell me, how can you improve your business without English? If you want to do your job, sorry, if you want to if you want to do your business in abroad without English, how can you understand everything? How can you improve your business? So friends, because every people talk to in English, they don't know Hindi language. Our mother tongue is Hindi. We know very well Hindi, but everyone they don't know Hindi easily. So friends, if you know English, you can understand very easily. You can improve your business everywhere, abroad, in India, everywhere. Friends, you know very well, this language gives us very opportunity, gives us very respect. If you know English, everyone listen to you very carefully, everyone look at you very carefully, and you can you proud of very, you feel proud of, oh my god, I can speak English. Everybody listen to me very carefully, everyone look at me very carefully, because you are speaking English, you are speaking English. That's the reason everyone respect to you. Oh, this person, he is a very educated person, he knows English very well, he knows speak English very well. So friends, you don't be afraid making mistake. Everybody is so much afraid, oh my god, how can I learn English, this language very difficult. Okay, this language very difficult, and second language, this is not our mother tongue, this is not our native language. So friends, if you try, then you can learn. You can try small sentence, you can try small step. You don't need a big step, you need only small step. After that you can gradually from English language very easily, you can learn English very easily. So friends, um, you can do it, whatever you want you can learn, you can do it. Friends, thanks for watching my video. If you really enjoyed and helpful video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep learning English with me. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.